that's it guys, the view sa house construction nasimulan na guys. So ayan guys, ayan. Hey guys, good day, and we're here again in our house construction. So this is the progress guys. So they put the reinforced bar dyan, getting ready for the slab. So yan, magbutang sila og ano guys, floor area, which is the cemento later on. So ayan, klaro nyo ba? Kita nyo ba? So ayan siya guys. So ganito pag you're gonna build a house here in Australia, something like this. You have idea, right? So yeah, dyan yung mga hole na yan, I think for the foundation. So ayan siya guys, ayan yan yung mga pala, mga gamit nila, ayan muna siya dago. Tsaka pala guys, hindi pwedeng mag-video ako sa kanila the whole time habang natatrabaho yung builder at saka workers. Respect na rin sa kanila at the same time their privacy, but yeah, anytime, from time to time, I'll show you the progress of the house construction namin. So ayan. So yeah, guys. And then, tsaka guys, itatay namin na bahay is plain lang siya, from bungalow style, kasi dito mahal, pero good quality siya, kasi kailangan standard pag nagtayo ka dito ng bahay. Same din sa Pinas, pero mas double price dito. So yan, si Mr. nagtingin muna doon, chinek niya muna kung anong progress, anong result ng trabaho nila today ng builder at saka trabahante. So, if may question kayo later on, guys, just message me or comment down below, or siguro private message me on my social media. And then later on, I'll give you more details pa about this building a house in Australia. So, it's not that easy, but yeah, we made it. So, hopefully it will be continue until it's done. So alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you on my next video. See you, bye for now.